the fuck up, I got something to say. Shut the fuck up, I got something to say.
Yeah, it's the first lady of Stockton,
Shut the
aka
fuck up, I got
Playground
something
Slam,
to say.
aka the female Snoop Dogg, bitch.
Shut the fuck up, I got something to say.
I rip the game up like Court Dog do. Pussy, I'm a gangster. Like Snoop Dogg and 50. Wanna try me? Get knocked out like Christy Martin. Hustler, getting that ass, but you the one that started. I don't give a fuck like I'm Young Bloods, nigga. Cross niggas up like the Way, nigga. Have a girl fight like Jackie O and Fox. And I stay loyal like the Outlaws with Pac. Niggas can't stop me. Shit, you ain't heard? I'm an asshole like Bet on L Word. Motherfuckers scared cause they see your bitch coming. I'm like DMX, always into something. Beat a bitch ass like my name Lady J. And I'm a hustler like JT in the Bay. I break a nigga down,
Hey, shut the fuck up, I got something to say. I hustle for the cash, brother, I get it fast. For those that don't like me, y'all can kiss my ass. Playground Slim acting ass, I break a nigga fast. Even bitches wanna touch and grab. You know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I mean, you know what I'm saying.
niggas wanna wife me, they all on this. Keep my stomach flat like Beyonce, bitch. Bring the West back like my name was Game. Talk a lot of slang like Eve, okay. A bitch